For the best creamy milk ramen, boil exactly 1.5 cups of water. Protein is optional. Look for a ramen with miso or soy bean paste soup. Only boil your noodles for 2 minutes. Cut green onions or chives for garnish. Measure half a cup of whole milk. Once your noodles are able to be separated, drain half of the water or until you are left with half a cup. Add your protein and any other additions along with the soup base, but only use half or 2/3 of the packet. Add your milk and then bring to a boil. When your milk boils, turn down the heat to medium-low and stir until you're left with a creamy sauce. Plate and garnish with your greens and some of the leftover soup base, and you are done. For more in-depth instructions, click the link in the upper right. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more great recipes.